A new policy change in the fight to stop Ebola. CBS News has learned the Trump administration will no longer allow Americans exposed to the virus back into the U.S. for quarantine. Instead, they're setting up a site in Kenya. Jared Hill has more.
At Houston's Bush International Airport, it's more than security checks for some passengers. This is now one of what'll be 4 hubs with advanced Ebola screenings around the country, applied to all Americans traveling into the U.S. from 3 African nations. Last night, Houston's public health director reassured local leaders.
And also confident that this is not a broad public health threat.
Wednesday, the Trump administration told CBS News it's changing the process for Ebola quarantine, building a facility in Kenya for Americans who were exposed to the virus instead of bringing them back to the U.S., as has happened with previous outbreaks.
We cannot and will not allow any cases of Ebola to enter the United States.
A former CDC official told CBS News the move was, quote, unethical and irresponsible, since Kenya doesn't have proper containment facilities or a lot of experience dealing with Ebola. Meanwhile, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, the epicenter of the latest outbreak, more than 240 people are believed to have died from Ebola. Wednesday, Uganda closed its borders with Congo, another sign of the growing crisis in Africa. The World Health Organization has declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern. There's currently no vaccine.
Africa said this is part of the team that is working on the vaccine.
One infected American missionary, Dr. Peter Stafford, is said to be responding well to treatment in Berlin.